Welcome to the Blue Star Higher Secondary School, Class 6, Subject Social and Political Life. Before class, we have seen the introduction part and we have seen what is the diversity and the difference in the diversity. Today we are going to see making a friends. Children, you can see in this picture the two boys are there. Today I am going to say about these two boys. Newspaper selling boy name is Samir Do. The cycle boy name is Samir Ek. Today I am going to tell about these two friends about this story. Wherever we go, we will make a friend. Yes, obviously, if we go to the school, we also make a friend with us. Each friends will differ from the food, language, culture. Children, it is not a big story, it is a very simple story. Based on this story, we can learn many things. Actually, one person is going by the cycle. Yes, you can see in this picture. And another side itself, on the same age, that boy is selling a English and Hindi newspaper. He was just buying a English newspaper and he was just smile and gone. And we are going to see the next day. Again, that boy is coming by the cycle. That boy also selling the newspaper. He was just smile and both were giving a intro about them. What is your name? That cycle boy is asking the newspaper selling boy. The boy is telling, my name is Samir. And that paper selling boy is asking, what is your name? My name is also is Samir. Okay, both of our name is Samir. And they was just smile and told, we are both of our name is also a Samir. And he was said, that cycle boy said, that is the Anuman's father's name. Next, the light has been traffic light has been started. That boy has been gone. The third day, normally the friendship it was going on. One day, the paper selling Samir was very much sad that Samir Ek was asking why he was so sad. No, the mute, there is a problem. Have seen that boy is asking. That boy is asking, have you seen the headlines in the newspaper? Yes, I have seen in the newspaper and I have also read. This discussion was going on. And next that Samir newspaper selling boy is telling, I am a Muslim. Samir, that Samir Ek, you told that you don't worry about that problem. We will solve that, the problem will be solved. Again the traffic signal light was started. That boy has been gone. The next day, that is a fourth day, the Samir Ek didn't see the Samir Do at all. Both of their name was Samir, but religion background is also different. The similarities were come from the religious background also very different. What I was telling that the name is also a common. Okay, the boy was going for the school. The cycle boy was going for the school and he was gathering many news and he has a own place to stay. But he is a Hindu. It is a common. Okay, next I am telling about the newspaper boy. He didn't go for the school but he was suffering a lot. But he was selling only newspaper. The language is also different. But the common here is the languages they both of them speak is common. But here they are telling about an inequality to the same similar age of a person. What means that boy is going for the school and he has own home to stay and he was gathering the information, but this boy is not going for the school. He also has suffering lot of problems in herself, and this is only the inequalities will we are suffering in our life. Have you understood till this? This is the story of this lesson. Children, your assignment will be make a list of the festivals that might have been celebrated by two boys, Samir Ek and Samir Do. Can you think of a situation in which you can make a friends with someone who was very different from you? Write the story that describe this. Assignment will be refer the page number 4, and next assignment, this is the first assignment, and the second assignment here is name the 3 ways in which Samir Ek and Samir Do was different. This is the assignment of today. Please do this assignment for the next class. Thank you.